One of the toughest things about being a quality manager is that there are so many things in your food safety management system and the facility where you work that you don't know about. And you want to know about those things if something goes wrong. And for that purpose, we've built a powerful alerting feature into Safefood 360. The purpose of the alerts module is that you can be notified when something noteworthy happens. It doesn't have to be a CCP breach. It could be that a job has not been completed, or it could be that an audit has failed, or it could be whatever you need to know about. You can configure a rule in Safefood 360 and the software will notify you. And because of alerts, you'll be able to manage your staff and your own time much better. Previously, you had to spend time on worrying about whether this or that has been done or whether this or that has been happening. You don't have to worry about that. The software will now notify you. So to access alerts, take Utilities and open Alerts. And if you want to create a new alert, it's as easy as clicking Add Alert. And for the purpose of this presentation, we're going to create an alert from scratch. So I'm going to click Add Alert, and we could, for example, make an alert for a breached CCP. The first thing you need to define is which module does the alert originate from. In this case, it's a monitoring module. We want to see if a CCP has been breached in a monitoring program. And the record is, of course, monitoring record. Then we can define which risk level we are interested in. For example, it could be any risk level, but in this case, let's say it's a high risk event. So we're not being alerted about low risk events. Then the stage is the monitoring record stage where we are collecting the numbers. The status means whether this workflow stage has been closed or whether it's open. And with this case, we're going to select that it's closed. And it has remained closed for 0 days. This means that, the software will notify you as soon as this workflow stage is completed. Then we select a condition. In this case, we say that a CCP has failed. After that, you will just define the description for this alert and the person who needs to be notified and which methods you want to notify them with. We support push notifications, text messages, email alerts, and alerts to the software dashboard. After this, if a CCP is breached in the monitoring module, the person will receive an SMS in their phone. So let's look at the benefits shortly. Well, number one, you can configure the alerts exactly the way you want to. There's so many configurability in here, and you can create escalations and all kinds of things with the alerts. And you can tailor them to support your own role as a quality manager or whatever or CEO or whatever you're doing. And you can eliminate the need for micromanagement with alerts, because previously you had to ask people, have you done that job? Have you this or that? And the software can notify you if a job is not complete. The software can notify you if a CCP has been breached. So it takes the pressure off. And there's no more worrying about not being up to date on the status of your system. You can be confident that you'll know. I think it's just a great example of how alerts just brings it all together.